Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building the actual request. Open Postman, click New, choose Request and name it. Once there, set the method to post and paste the endpoint URL. Next, select Body and pick Raw with JSON if sending structured data or form data for file uploads. Make sure to add headers like content type, applications/JSON, and any authorization token you have. This prepares the request payload correctly, so the server understands what you send and can respond predictably. Once the request structure is ready, configure authentication and payload validation. In the Authorization tab, pick the correct scheme, bearer token, basic, or OAuth 2, then paste credentials or token. Switch to Body and paste the JSON. Use Predify and Postman's validator to catch syntax errors. Make sure to reference environment variables for endpoints and tokens so you can switch contexts easily. Finally, add pre-request scripts to set dynamic values and tests to assert response codes and content, which automates repeated checks and improves reliability. Send the request and inspect results immediately. Look at the status code, response body, and headers to confirm success. 200-299 means success, 4XX or 5XX means fix needed. If something fails, open the Postman console to view raw network traffic and variable values. Once responses match expectations, save the request into a collection and update your environment values so colleagues can reproduce it. Troubleshooting tip: if authentication errors persist, regenerate tokens and verify clocks on client and server are synchronized to avoid expiring tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.